Just past midnight, the calm over northern Israel, it was shattered by the sound of siren. Residents rushed to the shelter as radar system detected a sudden wave of incoming rockets and missiles. According to Israeli media, around 30 projectiles were launched towards the region, some believed to have come from Iran and others from across the border in Lebanon. And also the attack, it is part of the growing confrontation between Israel and Hezbollah, the very powerful armed group that operates in southern Lebanon, and it maintains close ties with Iran. Here, Israeli officials say that the barrage caused casualties, with at least 2 people reportedly killed in an earlier missile strike, and several others were injured as rocket hit the populated areas. But here, Hezbollah claims the attack achieved something far bigger. Ladies and gentlemen, according to their statement, its fighters launched missiles at Israeli military position and managed to damage the key communication system, including radar and satellite communication infrastructure used by Israeli military. Hezbollah also claims that it targeted Israeli armored unit, hitting tanks and military vehicles positioned in the border. Well, the group also says its fighters will continue operations against the Israeli soldiers using all available means. Now, let's flip the script. Israeli Defense Forces say that it responded almost immediately. Within minutes of detecting the rocket launches, Israeli aircraft and artillery units, they reportedly struck several launch sites, and that too in southern Lebanon. Military officials say that these strikes, they destroyed multiple rocket launchers that had been used to fire towards Israel. Israel also claims its border campaign against Hezbollah infrastructure, it is expanding. According to Israeli statement, the military has already targeted hundreds of Hezbollah-linked locations, including facilities connected to the group's elite fighting unit, the Radwan Force. Now, this particular unit is believed to be responsible for cross-border operation and specialized combat missions. Now, to understand why this conflict is so serious, you have to look at geography. Look at North Israel and southern Lebanon. Now, these two locations just sit a few kilometers apart in some areas. That means rocket missiles and artillery, they can reach targets within minutes, leaving very little time for warning system and defense interceptors to react. Ladies and gentlemen, the whole situation is made even more dangerous by the wider regional tension. Iran-backed Hezbollah is widely considered one of the most heavily armed non-state groups in the world, with tens of thousands of rockets and missiles in its arsenal. On the other hand, we have Israel. Israel possesses advanced missile defense systems like the very powerful Iron Dome and very powerful Air Force capability designed to strike targets deep inside the enemy territory. So what we are seeing now is not just a local border clash. It is part of a much larger confrontation involving Israel, Iran, and multiple armed groups. Each attack, each retaliation, each military statement pushes the entire region closer to a broader conflict. And as missiles continue to fly across borders in the middle of the night, one question keeps on growing louder and louder. Is this just another exchange of fire, or maybe the beginning of a much bigger war?